Okay, so here we have Terry using the Air Assist Airless by QTech, and as you'll see, the control is absolutely fantastic on this machine, and it's why we use it in the customers' houses and kitchens especially. Obviously we normally spray a door in one go, but we're just having a play around here just to show you how controlled it is. So we wouldn't be just doing individual paddles, we'd be doing the whole door in one piece. Also, not just because of the control, but also the finish is much better compared to sort of like an airless sprayer. That's why when you're doing a customer's kitchen, you really want to use the best equipment and give them the best result, and airless is definitely not that. We think the air assisted is the way to go.